Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming level and funds, because raid cards only drop under specific conditions. Walk to the designated NPC or event spawn and engage the encounter. This is the first actionable step. Once you defeat the target, collect the card quickly and open your inventory to equip it. Make sure to clear unnecessary items beforehand so equipping is instant. Doing this speeds your progression and prevents lost drops, which is why preparation matters before moving to the next phase. Now you activate the raid card inside the raid menu, because insertion triggers the event timer and allocates rewards. Choose a difficulty that matches your team's strength and invite teammates or join a queued group. Balanced teams clear faster. During activation, communicate roles, tank, DPS, support, so everyone knows when to engage bosses. Once the countdown ends, lead the charge at the portal and use the card abilities opportunistically. This ensures smoother fights and higher chance at rare drops. Finish the raid by completing objectives and claiming rewards immediately, because unsaved loot can be lost on crashes. After victory, move valuable items to your bank or secure inventory slots to avoid accidental sale or loss. If you encounter a bug, such as missing rewards, teleport failures, or server desync, relog first to refresh state, then retry the raid. If problems persist, report the issue with screenshots, but retrying after a relog often resolves most errors and preserves your progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.